Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to add an attachment to your Hotmail email, now part of Outlook under Microsoft 365. Whether it's documents, images, or any file you need to share. By the end of this guide, you'll be sending emails with attachments like a pro. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Microsoft 365 login page. Enter your Hotmail or Outlook credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, creating one only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your Outlook homepage, ready to compose an email. Next, look for the New Mail button, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Click it, and a blank email window will pop up. This is where you'll compose your message and attach your files. Now comes the fun part. In the email window, locate the paperclip icon or the Attach button. Click it and choose Attach a file from this PC. A file browser will open. Navigate to the folder containing the file you want to attach. Select it, click Open, and voila. Your file is now attached to the email. You can add multiple files by repeating this process. Just remember that email services often have file size limits, so if your document is huge, you might need to compress it or use a cloud link instead. Before hitting send, double check everything. The recipient's email address, your subject line, your message, and of course, the attachments. Once you're sure everything looks good, click send and your email with attachments is on its way. And that's it. Attaching files in Hotmail is super simple once you know the steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a helpful guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.